Yo, you know what's Studio Records? Big up to all the gal them. You see me? Gal them with the sexy shape, sexy body. This one now for you. Radio 95 1567. I'm a number that. Call me, yeah. Listen to JU. I am this, yo.
You the one for me, I need your loving on repeat. Not about your body, girl, I like you underneath. I like your mindset and the way that you dream. Go make your back and then you come back to me. And I'm serious about you, the games are over. Drip drip when you walking out the plain clothing. You make it all make sense, my eyes are open. Anticipating, waiting on you. I found out I love you. Love has many layers. My mind full of colors, but that white dress looks good on you. And I know that if you die for me, I would die for you. And I know that if you crawl to me, I will fly to you. And I know by any means I'm here to provide for you. You're mine, you're mine, you're mine, you're mine, you're mine. Gotta know that I can't fall back. I'd rather be with you and stay where I'm at. You the baddest one that's on this map. No GPS to locate that. Everybody talk about it, won't be about it. My darkest moment is you, giving me brighter days, so I'm not afraid to make all my dreams come true. Girl, you got me and you know you do. I just wanna show you proof. You deserve it. Also, diamond rings and cake are suitable. Being love is new to me, but I don't know if it's you to you. They told me when I catch a heart to keep it if it's true to you.
If you don't take care of your girl, somebody else gonna take her away. If you don't take care of your girl, somebody else gonna take her away.
I know that if you die for me, I would die for you. And I know that if you crawl to me, I will fly to you. And I know by any means I'm here to provide for you. You're mine, you're mine, you're mine, you're mine, you're mine.
I know you mine, and I'm proud as fuck to say I love how God was always watching us and put us on this wave. And now we up and on this path, and it continues to get paved. I'm now a soldier in the army, every morning gotta shave. Hey, life be hella crazy, let me speak some real facts. Been through some dark times and I ain't never going back. And when you pull up, I be having stray heart attacks. You are so lovely, plain amazing, you a real snack.